Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 91. This question is from GATE 2005 examination. Let us read the question. The given figure shows a step down chopper pitched at 1 kHz with a duty ratio D is equal to 0.5. The peak to peak ripple in the load current is close to, okay, means they have asked the peak to peak ripple current, that is a delta I, or we can say that the delta IL, which is equal to delta I0. Okay, so ultimately we need to find the delta I0, or I0 is nothing but the IL, so it is a delta IL is equal to delta I0. Okay, so now if you recall, it is a buck converter, right? That is a step down chopper. Okay, so for this circuit, yes, we are having the IL waveform or I0 waveform. It will be like this, IL, or we can say it is the I0, 0 to T on, T on to T. Okay, during 0 to T on, IL increases from I min to I max, and from T on to T again it decreases from I max to I min, and again it increases. Okay, so here it is the I max, here it is the I min we are having. Okay, and our task is to find peak to peak ripple, that is nothing but the delta IL, that is nothing but the delta IL. Okay, so how to find this delta IL or delta I0, we need to, okay, so when switch is in a on state during T on, during T on, yes, can we draw the circuit? It is like a switch is in a on state, diode will be in the off state, so circuit will be like this. This type of circuit, equivalent circuit will be getting is equal to 100 volt, is a 200 millihenry 5. Okay, now this is like a I0, right, and this current is also I. Okay, so can we apply KVL to the loop? Yes, it is like a plus 100 minus L, that is a 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into di0 by dt. Okay, minus V0, right, minus V0. But what is V0? We can write V0 value. Let us write first V0 is equal to 0. But for step down chopper, what is the V0? Is a D into Vs. Okay, so we can write it as 100 minus 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into what is the change in the I0? It is a delta I0. What is the change in the time? It is a T on, minus V0 is equal to D into Vs is equal to 0. Okay, so further we can write it as 100 minus 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into delta I0 divided by T on. T on is nothing but, yes, it is a D into T, D into minus duty cycle is 0.5 into what is the Vs, supply voltage is 100 volt, equal to 0. So further we can write it as, therefore it is a 100 minus 50, so it is a 50 is equal to 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into delta I0 divided by 0.5 into T is nothing but 1 by switching frequency. Frequency is 1 kilohertz, so it is like a 1000. Okay, now further we can write it as, therefore delta I0, that is the ripple in load current, okay, is equal to, is like 50 into T divided by 200. Okay, 0.125 will be 0.125. Okay, the final answer is 0.125. So correct option is option C, right? Option C is the correct answer. Okay, so this is about question number 91. In the next video we are going to discuss the question number 92. Thank you.